stud spider. She come to get you. Not gonna be your stud spider no more. 'Cause a black widow done got on me. Yes, she did. I have searched for a long time, trying to find some satisfaction. I have known some lovely ladies in my time, but they only give me of my reaction. Well, I fell into your web, and you love me all through the night. Yes, it did. Well, you got me under your spell, and you bring me up to unbelievable heights. Alright, and I'm not gonna be your stud spider no more. 'Cause a black widow done got on me. Well, you understand all my frustration, and you satisfy all my desire. When I'm torn with aggravation, you come to me, baby, and you light my fire peppers. Well, I'm not gonna be your stud spider no more. 'Cause a black widow done got on